Well, good morning. It's me again, Daryl. Last time you saw me up this early, I don't know if you can see the window back there. I was heading east to pick up something. Today, I'm heading west to pick up something. And this time I've got the trailer on, the enclosed trailer. So stay tuned. I'll come back and I'll show you what I picked up. Okay? Well, I made it. Well, I'm here anyway. So I left at 6:30 and it is now 10:49. And believe me, I am in the middle of frickin' nowhere. It's like a cottage area that I'm at. So I'm gonna go for a walk, see where this guy is, and see what I can do. Okay, I'll be right back. There we are. I got her loaded up. Oh, I shouldn't have said her. So I'm heading back to Gander. So I'll let you know what I got when I get back to Gander. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, I made it home. And I guess you can see behind me, right there, what I picked up. I'm a little overboard. Well, not overboard, but what the heck? I treated myself. I treated myself. Yeah. Bought an FLHTCU Harley. Yeah. Ultra Glide. Was it Ultra? Ultra Classic. Anyway, it's a 1991. It's got the Evo engine in it, which I liked. I wanted something with a kicker, but to find a kicker where I live, it's like finding hen's teeth or an honest politician. But I'll give you a little look around, and you can tell me what you think, if it was worth buying or not. And let's see. So I found out first thing is the cassette player doesn't work, or the radio. So I can't get the radio to come on. I've been farting around. I haven't taken any. I'm going to start taking the dash apart there now because the handlebars are loose. I went to push this onto the friggin' onto the lift here, and the handlebars went right up, and I almost dropped her. So I just started to take out a few screws. I've never done this before, never even seen it done before, so I'm going to assume if you take out a bunch of these screws, I think the front comes off and the back stays, this side stays here. But yeah, she got the lowers on there. The gentleman said he was the second owner. He bought it from the Harley Davidson dealer up in Vancouver, British Columbia. A lot of this plastic chrome or whatever it is, Harley ride to live, live to ride thing, which my wife says we have to keep because it's part of the classic. So it looks like a decent bike, very nice paint on it. Dirty, but yeah, I'm sure over the winter I can, yeah, that's only dirt. I don't see any real scratches. It's all a little bit of tree sap. The guy lived out on the beach. Oh, there's one, there's a scratch right there. There's one right there, see it? Like a little bit of scuffing sort of on the tank, but I'm sure a bit of buffing would take that out. Motor looks good. She sat for a long time, and then he said once you start the damn thing, he said he usually puts it in a bottle. He puts the breather hose down in a bottle and collects the oil and puts it back in again. He said because she will sump if you leave her for any more than about a week or so. But yeah, so she needs a little sticker there. But yeah, I think she looks good. I think I'm going to really enjoy this thing. But yeah, I'll put you up over here. I'll let you hear what it sounds like. I know we're in the garage right now, so it's gonna rumble like you wouldn't believe. I better open the door. Okay. Ignition on. See, I can hear the crackle. Hear it? That's the speakers. But I'm not getting anything out of here, and I can't tune it. I don't know how to tune or where the display comes up. I got 855, and that's all I got. So, I think that's reserve, but we'll try it. On. What do we got doing? Well, that's good, isn't it? I've been playing around with this too much. I killed the battery. Oh boy. Poop. I hope that's all it is. Okay, take two. Okay, I'm back. Well, of course, for you, it was only a blink of an eye. For me, it's the next morning, almost afternoon here now. I've been busy. But last night I was just got the bike in, a little excited. I figured I'd show the wife, and we were making fun of the fact that this thing has a cassette. And I said, well, at least I didn't buy a bike with an 8-track. And playing around with that, trying to get a display here for the CB radio and stuff. I ended up killing the battery. So I ended up giving it up last night. Came in this morning. I was cleaning some stuff and I put the battery charger on. And now I'm going to let you hear what this sounds like, okay? So I go turn the fuel on. So let you guys know, like, I didn't plan this. This is absolute cold start. I'd put my tongue on that if you want. No, I'm not even gonna put choke on. Guarantee you, watch. Ignition on. That's her. We are like 5 feet away from it, I guess, and that's the sound. I got three bikes, and all three of them sound totally different. It's incredible. So I think I made a good investment in this one, and we're going to do a few things with it, but that's going to be another video, okay? So let's go over here. So thanks for showing up. Thanks for staying with me, and I'm loving your comments. I really appreciate them. All good news and good comments, and I love them. Okay, so take care.